Welcome to Slow Motion Experiments with Bazzillion Movies. Today I am going to be doing something a little bit different, but a little similar to what I did to my table. Today I am going to try to restore my machete to its formal glory, its formal $5 glory, just like I did to my table. So I'm going to see what I can do to fix it up, make it look like it's new, because recently I have seen that it's a bit rusty, got some stickiness on it and stuff. So I'm gonna try and, anything I can find to make it look like it used to. So let's go do it. Alright, so welcome back to my father's workshop. Hang on. So I got my sister to turn down the volume on her video game, and somehow got Bailey in the process. But what we're going to do here is I brought down a WD-40 can. Here, you can run without. Here you go. And I'm gonna see if I can spray it, rub off the rust that's on it, and see if I can get any of the stickiness off. And if not, I can take some soap and water to it, or see what else I can do. So let's go do that. Okay, so for clarity, I guess, or whatever you call it, I have some disclaimers. I am very bad at rust restoration. I know close to nothing about it. The only thing I really know is to use WD-40, and that'll pretty much get rid of most of it. I think I did pretty good. I don't know what the black spots are on there. There are probably some people, if not some, maybe one or two people that are very good at rust restoration watching this video and are just seeing me sandpaper the edge of my machete or the side of my machete to get off rust and then putting steel wool to it and just cringing. I completely agree with you. It's terrible. I knew it would help get it off, but I also knew it would scratch it. But this is also a $5 machete, so I don't really care much about it. Making a restoration video right now. But all that aside, I think I did pretty good. So I'm gonna leave this here. If you guys have any suggestions or anything to get off these black spots, or to get these what looks like dented edges back to normal, then leave your suggestions in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content similar to this, and to click the bell icon to get notifications. Bailey, what are you eating? No, don't eat wood. Whenever I post a new video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.